Want to copy a Amazon strategy on your Kadence theme store? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a professional looking product compare table on your product page, as well as make it so it happens automatically and for you to customize it exactly how you want to. We'll also throw in how to bundle products together, exactly like how Amazon does it with their frequently bought together products. So let's dive right in. In this section, we're going to go over Otterwp's product compare plugin. This plugin does all the traditional things that a compare plugin does, but it adds a section into your single product page, which can either be dynamic or one that you create yourself. This is a paid plugin, so if you want it, you gotta go to the website, linked in the description below. If not, and you just want to see how it operates, we will go over that here. So we're going to select a product. We're going to do a 3D printer because they have a whole bunch of attributes that we can compare against each other. And we will select this one. And it's being a bit slow today. And we'll scroll down to here. And this will start the actual building of it. Now we just search 3D printers. And when you add the first one, it's automatically going to throw on all the attributes that they have in common. Or that, not in common, but they have together. And let's add the rest. And now you have them all down here. Now I generally like to slowly tier up the price. So let's go ahead and move them all around. And you can even move these wherever you like and they will display in that. So now whenever someone comes into this product, they will always have this table down below to compare against each other. And I always like it before related products because it is far more powerful than that. Hit update and that product will be set, but you don't even have to do all that. You can go over here to compare settings. You can change all the colors of the table and the buttons, but what we're going to want is the dynamic compares. We want automatic, we want it before related products. You can allow or not allowed, you can set a maximum amount of products. This also includes the customer's one that they can select, because if you allow 100 products, that's going to be no use to anyone. And you can select all attributes or common attributes for the dynamic section. You can choose the location of the buttons and where you want them, as well as exclude products. So say you have a product that you don't want them to use, either by dynamic or them selecting, you could do it there, as well as what attributes you may not want someone to compare. Now, I always put the requirement to 3 attributes before the dynamic will actually start comparing products automatically, because if they have 1, it's not going to be much help, but if they have more 3, then it's going to be a massive help. And just save the settings you want, and they will show up, and it'll be automatic for you. Here we are on the front end where we have our product we built our custom compare section for, and we scroll down right before the related products. You can see the compare section here, exactly how Amazon does it. And if we go and click on another one, you can then scroll down and see that it's automatically generating one for that product as well. And you still have the convenience of your customer being able to build their own and search for their own stuff and then add it to the list as they like. Best of both worlds. In this section, we're going to go over the Otterwp product bundler. This is a plugin that will create frequently bought together sections on the product pages. And you can get ones that will do this for free, but they will lack serious features that will actually allow you to get to that 30 to 35% sales increase. And we'll go over that. So the link will be in the description below. Download it and you can follow along. But if you just want to see how this one operates, you can just watch the video and start. We're going to go to products. We're going to scroll all the way down to the next page, and we're going to create a bundle for this 3D printer. Scroll down again until you see product bundlers frequently bought together. As you can see, it says AI suggested. What this uses is a co-occurring matrix that the plugin develops for you and then will match. But as you see, there's nothing down here because the seller has no sales data yet. So we're going to create a custom bundle, and you can change the title that will display above this section. but we're going to add nozzles, filament. And what's great about this is you can actually have complete control over the order of this, and you can show it how you like it. Now, the key part of this plugin is making sure that you have the best possible bundle displayed at all times that converts the best. At the end of the day, that is what's important, that you don't go with what you think, more you can go with what you can actually prove. And if you click A/B testing, this gives you that capability. So as you can see, this bundle would actually perform pretty well because it has filament and a nozzle. Any 3D printer is going to need both of these at some point in time, but you can create a B variant. So if you want to think that you know what's going on, you add a cap, belt. Obviously this doesn't make sense, and you can create that bundle here. And as this will run, you can set manual terminate or X views or X conversions. We'll say 100 conversions, and then you'll be able to see the results here. And this is just a great way and a great tool for you to find the absolute winning bundle that you possibly can. And that's how you get to that 35%, is creating the best possible bundles. This is not the only way to create bundles. You can also go to Product Bundler, all bundles, add a new bundle. We're going to name it Hoodie. Again, you can change the title of the section, but we can search Hoodie. We'll then search Belt, and then we can search Cap. Now you can also configure variations. So you can say all variations, or you can say specific ones. Again, giving you more and more control. And then in this section, you can set a discount. So it can be a fixed amount or a percentage, whatever you like. We'll do 10. You can set a start and end date and a priority. So what this will do is it shows for all these products the same bundle. And if you want to then have something different on the belt, you can then give it a higher priority and it will show that bundle instead. Hit save bundle. Now you can see it's active and all the other stuff. You can also then look at your bundle analytics. And as you see, again, empty store, but you'll see how the bundles are performing, which ones are doing well in your top performance, and also you'll be able to view the A/B testing from this place if you have any going. You can also change the look of the plugin here. You can change where it shows. You can use full site editing if you want. That means you can place the block where it's going to show wherever you want. And appearance, you can change all the colors, the size of the layout, small, compact, standard, large, the border around the summary section, and then whatever the button text is. And here's the AI frequently brought together. Again, you can sync it and enable fallback, which would actually display, this is by default turned off. You have to turn it on. And this is already enabled on. So you can prune it, you can delete all the data if you want, but we're just going to keep it like that. In this video, we'll show you what all this looks like in the front end, so don't worry. And if you want to change prices on all bundles that you create, you can change a global discount and percentage or whatever you like. Save. And it's that easy. Here's the product that we created, the compare section, or sorry, the frequently bought together section. And as you see, it's all represented down here, including the discount or the global discount that we set. You can just add it to the cart. All 3 items will be in the cart. The discount will automatically be added here, no coupons needed. And as you see, super simple. And you have all the tools in to maximize this to get the best bundles possible. Yes, Kadence theme is super powerful, but you can always use some better features to help increase your sales. And the best way to do that is increase your average order value. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.